Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to turn on or enable YouTube thumbnail autoplays previews. So meaning when you hover your mouse over a thumbnail preview on YouTube, it'll begin autoplaying the video previews. And if you want to turn that on, and then I'll show you how to turn it on. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on your YouTube channel. So open lang natin ang ating YouTube channel. And then once na-open mo na itong ating YouTube channel, and then bago tayo mag-proceed, and then check lang natin ang ating YouTube videos. So makikita mo dito mga kaibigan na kapag hinover over natin itong mouse ay naka-turn off itong auto-plays thumbnail previews natin. Okay, so pag ganito siya ay hindi po siya nagpi-play. Kung paano ba natin ito i-turn on? So ang next step, so dito lang sa top right corner makikita mo dito yung ating YouTube profile. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung playback and performance. So itap mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay scroll down. And then dito lang sa browsing, so makikita mo dito yung video previews. So video previews will play when you hover over thumbnails. So kung paano ba natin ito i-turn on or enable, so makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So turn on natin. Ayan, and then your changes has been saved. So ibig sabihin naka-enable na siya. And then back lang tayo dito sa ating channel, and then i-check natin kung okay na siya. Alright, and then dito sa ating videos ay kapag hinover natin itong mouse, ayan, so nagpi-play na siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to turn on YouTube thumbnail autoplay preview. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.